Eversource now, and joining us is Sarah Paduano, spokesperson for the Eversource communications team. Hi, Sarah. Nice to see you.
Hi, Ann and Catherine. Great to see you too.
Okay, so what's the lowdown?
So we have been taking on damage. As you've heard, the winds are the biggest issue that we've had this morning. We've also had multiple motor vehicle accidents throughout the morning. Those have been the two main causes of power outages this morning. But our crews are making progress, and we're also restoring power remotely. As of 8 o'clock this morning, we've restored power to about 18,000 customers. And right now we're standing about 14,000 out across the state. And it is statewide. We are seeing impacts not just along the shoreline in eastern Connecticut anymore.
I have to imagine restoration work is difficult when you're talking about wind gusts that are in excess of 40 miles an hour plus. How do crews know when the right time is to get in there to assess and then make those restorations?
Yeah, absolutely. So typically around 40 miles an hour is the threshold when it's unsafe to go up in the buckets, especially if crews are bringing up equipment. But it's situational, so it's up to the crew's discretion ultimately whether they can go up. But just because they can't consistently go up in the buckets because the strong winds are still persisting right now, doesn't mean that we're not working to restore power in other ways. We do have those remote systems, as I mentioned, that have helped significantly this morning with restoring power.
And just to tell folks, if they do lose power, how do they get a hold of you? What happens? What's the easy way to get a hold of you?
Absolutely. Always report your outage to us. Don't assume your neighbor has done it. You can call us at 1-800-286-2000, or you can report it at eversource.com. And I do want to mention an important safety message too, just about down wires, because in any storm, you should report down wires to 911. But because the snow's been coming down so significantly, it actually may be buried and you might not even see it. So when you do go out to clean up later, please just be aware of your surroundings.
That's such a great point for anybody who's going to be outside. I mean, at some point, people are going to start emerging, right, and clearing up. That's a great piece of advice. All right, Sarah Paduano with Eversource, we really thank you for your time and updating us on those outages as well. We'll check back in with you later. Thank you.